Hello and happy fall. Welcome to my channel. This is Sandy here, and today I'm sharing my garden that, as you can see, I'm having some significant issues here. As you can see, my garden has been attacked by some bugs. There is said bug there. It is a hornworm, I understand, and I could have other problems going on as well, but these hornworms have eaten holes in my foliage, and it is quite a problem for me. Now, I've been attempting to be as organic as possible with my gardening, so I don't want to get into a lot of pesticides and things like that, which I know is not easy to do, right, to keep the pests out of there. But I am searching for a solution, and today what I'm going to be doing is sharing what I came up with. So if you'd like to see what that is, then just keep watching. Now, I am doing prepping for my pantry, and one of the things that I like to do is to keep my little garden going through the winter months. So this was really important to me that I be able to salvage this little space so that I can keep my little crops growing. I don't have a lot, but I do love them and I want to keep it going. So what we're doing here is just cutting the little critters out. And by that, I mean just cutting the leaves off and just kind of removing them that way. And then what I found on Amazon is a little mini greenhouse that I thought would be perfect for the small space. It was $29.99 and it has 2 tiers on it, so I thought it would be perfect. So I ordered it, and as you can see, it comes in quite a few little pieces, but it's not hard to put together at all. Just maybe 10-15 minutes to put it together. And once it's together, it really works well for a small space. So I was pretty excited to get it for the garden, and in hopes that this will keep pests out of there, because another thing that I know that I have also are birds that kind of scoop down and grab a couple of my blueberries or whatever. So this is going to be good protective covering for them, I hope. Now, I ordered this off of Amazon, and I will put the link in the description box below. I do have an affiliate link for this product. I have had it now for several weeks, and I am loving it. It is so much better for my crops. I'm seeing that they're doing well in there, where in terms of not getting any new nibbles off of my garden. Unfortunately, it wasn't very big, so I didn't have enough to put everything in there, but I'm happy to be able to put, you know, some of my things in there, because one of the things that I saw that they were attacking the most were like my collards and lettuce and things like that. So I was able to put some of that in here, my kale. I put my tomatoes in there, and I had another small pot of herbs that I also was able to put in there. So far so good. I really do like it. I just come out every morning, I unzip it so that air can get in there, because it gets really hot. It's really steamy, of course, in the morning. So I open it up. I usually will sometimes take a couple of the plants out so that they can stay out and get good sunlight throughout the day. Put my water on or whatever, and then at night I have to remember to come back out here and put them in the greenhouse. So I really love it. I'm probably going to get a second one so that I can start to grow some other things in there. But this was a perfect solution for, you know, $30. And I'm hoping that I'm able to have my little crops through the winter season, which is so important during this time, especially because if you're prepping like I am, you want to be able to have as much food on hand or available to you as possible. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that this was a help to you. Again, the link will be in the description box below if you're interested in ordering this, and I hope that you'll come back by again to see what I'm doing over here on the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.